Welcome to Wheat Harvest 2025. We are running the 690 with a 45-foot draper. Dad's in the grain cart. Here's a look into my cab cam camera as it exits and heads out that way. Old Glory flapping in the wind. So we're in the first field harvesting for ourselves here. I couldn't be happier with the wheat. Beautiful looking wheat. Great test weight, great color. Yields have been running about 10 to 15 bushel to the acre. Hello, we want the price to go up, folks. Terrible yields, terrible. Famine coming, famine. Nobody will be able to feed themselves. Now things are going right along. As you can see off into the sky, into the distance, we do have some rain showers surrounding us, but that's not going to stop us. Oh no, not the South Warsaw boys. Across the road is one of my good neighbors. He's over there running to beat the devil. Okay, Dad, good to go. My dad does a great job grain carting. You guys have seen him off and on now for the last couple of years. He just turned 75 a week or so ago. Happy belated birthday. Well, happy belated birthday from you guys to him. I've told him happy birthday numerous times. Anyway, back to it. So, we're out here harvesting. Pretty good conditions other than, the threat of rain. I couldn't be happier with just about everything that's going on. We're only running one combine. I just don't have the personnel on hand to run two machines, but within the next day or so, we will get both combines out into the wheat so that hopefully we can not only get started like we are today, but get wrapped up here within the next week or so. We do have some custom acres of wheat to harvest. Nothing too big, nothing too complicated. We'll show that as we get to it. I love harvesting wheat.